Today in New York City, Manhattan, there is a thunderstorm happening. It is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The reports say it feels like 63 degrees. The wind and speed is 10 miles an hour. There's an 88% humidity. And dew point is 60 degrees. There is a 29.76 inches pressure. UV index 0 of 11. Visibility 1.9 miles. This is a map of today showing the weather that's going to happen and that is currently happening. As you can see, the green parts are the rain, is the thunderstorm, moving away as the day passes by. So today it's not really a good day to go outside and have a picnic, but maybe if it wasn't raining today and with this perfect degree and at 60 degrees, I think it would be a very good day to have a picnic.